We are back. And you see this shit? See this shit? We have strawberries. Amazing. Amazing. Life is good. So, yeah. Yep. Okay. Power. Let's charge our power, chat. Okay. We have charged our power. We are powerful. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, so if we want to change the humanoid actions, yeah, so where's the interface? Get interaction options. Yep. Available actions. Available interactions. Yeah. Loot. How about talk? And what else? What else can you do with the humanoid? Nothing. Just talk with other humanoids. Like, yeah. Yeah, we can buy, actually trade. Yeah, talk trade. Sure. What if? Yeah, now there we go. Now we have talk and trade actions. Okay, it does absolutely nothing. Well, it actually prints the debug. Damn. Yeah, the turret is actually, yeah. We do not need to print the string, the debug string for the axes. Yeah, now when we talk, yeah, you can see like talking. You can't really see, like it's too low res. Yeah, trading. Okay, so the actions, interaction. Where's the interaction? Interact. Okay, so trade. Trade. Let's trade. Okay, let's actually. Damn. What kind of music should I listen to? Hi, chat. Vote in the chat for what music I listen to. Country music? Country music always hits. Yeah, it always hits, actually. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Love country. Okay, so if we trade, we create. Yeah, we actually need to create a widget. Widgets. Let's make a new widget. Widget blueprint. WBP, and this will be trade panel. Okay, so we could yeah, where's the interaction? Yeah, inventory root. No, the inventory. Actually, I'll use this UI. Not for the inventory, but when the player loots like the organs from the from the corpse, from the guy, from the dead guy. Yeah, blood panel, context menu, interaction, inventory, item info. Panel, what kind of panels do I have? Blood panel, character panel, info panel. Yeah, like, damn. Actually, yeah, let's open up player BP, and on begin play, I think I had like, yeah, create widgets. Yeah, crosshair, player bars. No. What's up, Dafa? Guantang. What's up? Hello. Hi. Welcome to the chat. How are you doing? How is your day? So, damn, I think I have some more widgets, like, yeah, widgets. Not in the... Yeah, I should probably organize this a bit better. Stat panel. Widget loot. No, that's not good, that's not good. Okay, so... is Spanish Indonesia. Oh, what? Spanish. So yeah, I think Indonesia has some like Spanish colonies. Like, yeah. So you speak Spanish in Indonesia? Is all Indonesia like, does every Indonesian speak Spanish? Or is it like just a region that speaks Spanish in Indonesia? Okay, so damn, I can't find the panel actually. Yeah, we have this one. Yeah, inventory. Where's the controller? BP player controller. Okay, so inventory panel. What happens? Like, oh, it's the shitty panel. Damn. Okay, damn. Oh, okay, you can't actually see it. Yeah, it's this panel. The organ panel that I'm gonna use is the inventory panel. Hold up. Got an email. Not important. Okay, let's ignore the email. Focus on the game. Okay, so if we don't have the panel, if we don't have anything, what we do is, where's the inventory? Root. Yeah, let's actually copy everything. Panel, and yeah, trade panel. And we paste everything. So the border. Yes, the border is not this border. The border is this border. Is it this border? Should we use this border? Chat, huh? minus 32. Damn. Minus 42, minus 42, minus 42. Yes. Maybe even more. Okay, so so when we trade, create a widget. No, not that. We create a widget from this, and the panel is the trade panel, and we add to viewport. How's your day? Pretty good, I guess. Nothing special, like the weather is nice, like walked my dog. Like, spring is here. Feeling spring. Feeling the spring. What's up with you guys? Like chilling, still on vacation, still on spring break. Okay, so we add two viewports. Yeah. Oh, it spawns so far away. Okay, trade opens the thingy. Okay, so kind of like the border. Yeah, the border is cool actually. Okay. Actually, let's actually write some stuff down on a post-it note, just so we can think clearly. Okay, so what information do we need, like, per item? We need an icon. We need a... Okay, so the name. Do we need a name? Or do we need a tooltip, like when you hover, the tooltip shows? And I mean, it would be less work if, like, I just made it so the inventory and the trading like uses the same panel. Yeah, I think damn. Let's actually open up a... Let's check a screenshot. Oblivion. Let's see how Oblivion does it. Oblivion trading. User interface. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, it actually just opens up a tab. Yeah, it's like the same user interface like that the inventory has. Yeah, like it has another, like it's split in the middle, like has two panels. One shows all of the info, all of the items, and on the right it shows the 3D model. Yeah, we actually need a panel that shows the 3D model, I think. Yeah, like have an icon, name. Yeah, let's split actually this and yeah, and yeah, the right panel will have the 3D model that you can like scroll, you can like rotate and manipulate in 3D space. And okay, so weight, like, yeah, the mass of things. Like, well, I implement weight of items. Like, I actually hate weight systems in RPGs. I actually hate that shit. Yeah, like, there's two options in an RPG. Like, either you have like a weight system that limits how much you can carry, or like just the inventory slots are limited. I think like inventory slots are a better idea. Yeah, it's much more simple, and like the player could like equip a backpack or something, and then you would gain more slots in the inventory. Not necessarily weight. I don't know. I don't like weight. I don't like when RPGs like make you too heavy that you can't run and shit. Like, that's stupid. Yeah, I'll probably not have weight. Just inventory slots. Okay, icon name. Price. We need the price. Definitely the price. And actually, for the traders, okay, so maybe a separate tab for, bro, it's hot. It's so hot in Myanmar. We only have 3 seasons: hot season, rain season, cold season, no snow. Oh, okay. So it's the hot season right now. No snow. Damn. I kind of like hot weather. So we need to separate the buying and selling. Buying and selling. Separate buying and selling. Okay, so let's go. Let's lock in. Okay, locked in. We are locked in. So tabs. If we have tabs, does the border still work? That's the question. I don't think it does. Okay, so yeah, let's actually delete the... Yeah, this uses a uniform grid panel. No grid vertical box. Okay, so what does the vertical box like? How does that look? Okay, yeah, yep. Sure. Okay, vertical box needs... Yep, that's better. Okay, so the background image, UI grid, we don't need that. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's think, let's lock in. We need another widget. Another widget. VBP, and this will be a trade panel row. And this will be a horizontal box. And the horizontal box, like, yeah. Desired. Let's not stretch out the UI. Okay, so this will have a few texts and yeah, let's make image. Yeah, the image goes into front. What the fuck? Iconic icon. This will be the name. Okay, let's just name. Price. Ooh. Okay. A song is playing. Okay. Price. Name price. Name the price. Okay. Sure. Bro. Yeah. No. Okay. Yes, evil. What evil? What do you mean evil? What do you mean evil? What do you mean by that? What does it mean? What do the numbers mean, Jason? What do the numbers mean? Two years ago? Oh, the devlog? Of the Evo game? Oh, that wasn't 2 years ago. Like I made the game. I worked on the game like probably 4 or 5 years ago. I only made the devlog 2 years ago. Maybe I'll go back to the game. It was a pretty good game, but also had some like serious design flaws. Okay. So the vertical box, yeah. Why doesn't it fill like them? Damn, this is horrible. This is horrible. Okay, does this work? Like, what if I do that? No. Okay, horizontal box. Damn, I probably need to like wrap the horizontal box into a size box. But whatever. Okay, this is just for testing. No, I'll spawn far away. No. Spawn close. Let's spawn close. Okay. Damn. Okay, so yeah, this needs a size box actually. Yeah, this is yeah. We have a size box here. Right, so this only affects the padding. Yeah, you see like how this when the UI scale changes. Damn. Oh, Chuck. What's 9 plus 10? I don't know. 910. Isn't it? I think it is. Okay, overlay, vertical box, border, yeah. 64 border. No, that did not work. Sure, like that, whatever. Trade. Okay, so we need to also like when inventory. Okay, so in the player controller, when we press I, yeah, and we don't have inventory, we make it visible. Yeah, we need all of this thingies, all of these thingies. Set control and drawer move. Yeah. Sure. Okay, humanoid, yeah. And we disable everything. Okay, self. No. Get player controller. Everything's broken. Oh my god. 21, you're an unk. What's 9 plus 10? You're an unk. I'm more than an unk. I'm ancient. I'm a boomer. Okay, show mouse cursor. Show mouse cursor. Shut your mouse cursor. Yeah. Now we trade, and yeah, the cursor shows up, and we can like, yeah, hover and do shit. Okay. A bro born in 100 BC. Yeah, exactly. Like, yes. Ancient, prehistoric. Okay, so hover won't show the tooltip. Yeah. Let's think about this. Let's think about the chat. Should I make this a button, actually? I don't think I should. Okay, so the horizontal box is a variable. Okay, on mouse enter. Whatever, let's actually, yeah, wrap this in a border, just temporarily. Whatever border, like, yeah. Do we have a clean border? Yeah, this thingy I think looks fine. Yeah, it's all really skinny, but like, it's fine. Okay, so we also need on mouse leave. On mouse leave, yeah. Okay, designer. Where's the designer? Okay, yeah. Alright, then, see you later. By the way, why did you change green to orange? Because I escaped the Matrix. I was in the Matrix when it was green. Now I'm in Mexico. Orange filter. Yeah. 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 See ya. See ya. Okay, so border. Bye. Bye. Have a good one. Have a great day. Is variable border. Okay, so on enter. Visibility. Set visibility. One town. One finest tower. 1/5 Avenue. Okay. Okay. Yup. 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 Okay. Trade. Oh. Oh. Boom. Fuck you. Fuck you, chat. Damn, chat, why did you ruin my microphone? Fucking hit you in the face, chat. Okay. Okay, it's fixed. Not anymore. Am I okay, bro? Am I okay? No. Oh, no. Okay, hidden. Damn. Okay, so inherit. Visibility. Where's the visibility? Visibility non-hit testable. Not hit testable. Visible but not hidden. Okay, so I want the children to be visible, but this hides everything. It hides everything. Okay, so what if we hide the thingy and make the children visible? Yes. Visible. Yes, they're visible always. Yeah. Let's check. Okay, yeah, no. Start with visible. Start with the visible. We started with the visible. Ooh, ooh. That's not good. That's not what I want. Ow. Okay, so okay. You know what, chat? Let's make it way more simple. Let's just color. Let's set the brush color to 0 alpha. Oh yeah. Okay, so on leaf, yeah. Okay, yep. Brush color 0 alpha. Trade. Okay, yeah. Yep. Yeah. That's what I'm looking for. Just like an outline. Name price. Name the price. Okay. Okay, sure. That's good. Yeah, add a bit of padding. Sure. Looks decent. It looks decent. Looks decent. Okay, so the stock, like the items that the trader is selling, where do we store the data? Where do we store the fucking data? Hotchat? Probably inside of the blood register. Yep. I think that's a good place, don't you? I think so. I believe so. Item PDA. So this will be an array of inventory stock. Yeah. Data asset item PDA. What the heck? PDA. What kind of other PDAs? Oh, item definition. Yeah, PDA item definition. Like, yeah, that's the stuff. Oh yeah. Now we have stuff. Okay, so we had like cigarettes. We had a assault rifle. Let's check the cigarettes. Yeah, like they have a world mesh and shit. Yeah. Okay, so if the data lives inside the cash register and we initiate the trade, while talking to the trader, the trader needs to have a reference to the vitamin B complex. Yeah, supplement. Okay. I got a lot of shit open, like, but I don't need a lot of shit. I need some shit. Not too much shit. This is way too much shit. Okay, so close this, close that. Okay, we have the blood register. Yeah, actually, let's make it so the player can also initiate the trade from the blood register. What the fuck? What the fuck? So to do that, we need BPI interactable. This is a BPI interactable interface. Yes, it is. And Get interaction options. We make an array. We make a interaction option, and the interaction option is a trade option. Okay, let's check if that works. What the fuck? It does not work. What the fuck? Oh, I know why it doesn't work. Because it doesn't have collision. It doesn't have collision. Okay, yeah, this is your favorite DJ Radio Dope Loop Games coming back at you. Yeah, Dope Loop FM. Okay, yeah. Now we have the thingy. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god. Set highlighted. Yeah. Base. So for the outline, like I have the inside a BPI interactable. I don't have the same like set custom depth. Why am I explaining? Like, what the fuck? Nobody cares. Nobody's watching. Like, who the fuck cares? Like, okay. Anyways, what I was trying to say, I have this separated, so I can like highlight this thingy and not highlight these thingies, just so I can select which thingy I want to highlight when the player like hovers over. There we go. I spit it out. Like, yeah, it wasn't that hard. Custom depth. Set render custom depth. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I already have. Okay. Render custom depth. Then we have I still have snot. Okay, yeah, you see. Now we hover and we can trade. Of course, when we trade, it does nothing, because also every item implements the interact, and the interact type switch. We switch. If the interaction is trade, we do the same thing that we do here. Yeah. Should I make a blueprint component, like trading blueprint component? Maybe. Okay, chat, calm down. Calm down, chat, calm down. Trade, okay. Okay, yeah, now we trade, same thing happens like from the cash register. Yeah, so we need to like select the shit. And have some tabs like, yeah, buy. Yeah, so damn. Yeah, I can name price, separate, buy and sell, and 3D model. 3D model. Where does the 3D model go? I actually need to like yeah. add 2 tabs, like, yeah, so this will be a trader tab and another tab for the inventory. Yeah, but yeah, and add some buttons, like, yeah, buy and sell, and then you like select. I don't know, it's like, oh, I fucking hate user interface, what the fuck. I hate user interface, working on the user interface. It's stupid, it's stupid. User interface is fucking stupid. Okay, let's jump into Photoshop, I guess. No, actually, let's open up the Painter, Substance Painter. Okay, it's open. It's open. Substance Painter, and the UI. Where's the UI? Metal UI. Okay, so we have the material metal UI. Do I have the metal UI? No, actually, yeah. So we create a smart material from that. Yeah, now we have 2 metal UIs now. Okay, whatever. Okay, we can handle it. We can handle the double thingy. Yeah, let's open up the metal UI. Yeah, and let's actually steal. Let's steal. Okay, so the size is determined by what? Size box, yeah. No, the trade panel needs to be huge, actually. Yeah. Should it be actually the half of the screen? Maybe it should have, like, yeah, a lot of real estate. Okay, like 640 by 512. Let's just check the size. Okay, that's huge. That's huge, but I like it. It's good that it's huge. You know, also a thing with the user interface is like the UI scaling. Like, you know, chat, in old games, the UI scale was static, actually. If you had like a shitty like 640 480p monitor, and then you upgraded like to a 128 by 1024, the UI like stayed the same. the old games, like the pixel size was the same. But on Unreal Engine it works a bit different, like it has DPI scaling. Because right now the monitors range from 1080p all the way to 4K, maybe even 8K. So like the same UI that would look normal on a 1080p monitor would look so tiny, the UI would be so tiny on like 8K, like you couldn't see shit. Yeah, so the UI needs to scale like... Damn. I'm using a size box. So this is like a static, like... static thingy. I don't know if I can like actually visualize this shit, but like, yeah, you see like I changed the... Yeah, it scales down, but not up, like it's the maximum size. Like if I increased the resolution of this, the UI would be tiny. So like, yeah, I don't know, I actually like tiny UIs and high resolution, but it's not how modern games are made. Oh, I dropped the soap. Okay, whatever. Enough of game history lessons. Let's actually do some shit. Like, what the fuck? Damn, this music is so shitty. So shitty. Yeah, this is better. Okay, UI. Tabs, let's make tabs. It's actually, yeah, let's save as, save another, save copy. Okay, so this will be 0419. And yeah, now we open. Okay, now the tabs. Okay, the tabs don't have like the skulls, don't have the spikes. Well, maybe they do have spikes actually. Does it have a corner spike? No. Yeah, let's delete that. I think it will be too big actually, but whatever. Metal UI tab high. Export FBX selector. And the plane also. Okay. Yeah, so the texture size for this is 256. Yeah, let's keep it. the same size. It's big, 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 big. Damn. Fuck. Fuck. There we go. There we go. And opacity. We need opacity actually. Okay. 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 And the opacity, yeah. Yeah, we need to change the shader. Yep, alpha test. Now we got opacity. Okay. Yep. So tab. Okay, so for the tab, we just grab the same border. Yeah, let's delete all that shit. Yeah, like that. And yeah. Actually, okay, so the border is here. Overlay. Yeah. Size box. Okay, so the size box. Damn. Should probably use a canvas for this thing. Yeah. Or maybe no. Let's think about this, chat. Okay, so if we need tabs, tabs are basically like, yeah. Basically, it's a vertical box, you know? We wrap with a vertical box. And now we can just place it here. Place it here. Okay. 0, 0, 0, and yeah. We need to wrap with the same size box actually. Wrap with a size box. Damn, I wish I could like copy all of the parameters. Like, yeah, child layout. Yeah, sure. Let's copy the child layout. Paste all. Paste all categories. Okay, that doesn't work. Why should it? Why should anything work? Okay, padding, like, damn, this is horrible, chat. Metal UI 2D border view. Border tab. Tab, yeah. Damn, I exported like the wrong thing. This is horrible, chat. This is horrible. Opacity. Yep. And then we export, and we export as a 2D view. Cancel this actually, just so it doesn't overwrite accidentally. This will be 2D UI tab border. Yeah. Tab. Now do you have the texture? Ooh, we have the texture. Ooh, yeah. Okay, sure, we have the texture. Tab. Whatever, let's check. It will get all fucked up. Yeah, okay, so the tab. You know what, chat? Fuck it. Let's wrap with the canvas. Wrap with a canvas panel. Of course, it ruins, destroys, absolutely annihilates everything. It destroyed everything. It annihilated everything. Okay, now it's fixed. Okay, sure. Not complaining. I am not complaining. I'm not complaining. Okay, actually, we don't need to wrap with a size box. Let's replace with the child, and yeah. Okay. Yeah. Border. Like, what the fuck? Why isn't it moving on the canvas actually? Like, overlay. Sure. Okay, so the overlay. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate UI. I hate user interface. What the fuck? I hate the shit. What the fuck? Okay. Calm down. I'm calm. Anyways, I'm gonna go feed my dog real quick. And be right back. Yeah, so I have this text, but it's not the right text. Let's actually edit. Feeding doggy. BRB, actually feeding doggy. BRB. Okay. conclusion. Problem, call it a solution. Am I calling a solution? Okay, chat, okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the tabs. Okay, so the tabs don't go in the overlay. Oh my god, yeah. Damn. Okay, so overlay. Yeah. What if I like resize the overlay? Nah. The overlay. Damn. Okay. Madness to me. Too much. Yeah, size box. Don't override. And the vertical box. Yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck. I should actually just like, damn. Fuck. Let's delete everything. Start from a clean slate. Border. Okay, so this is the metal border. Yeah. Border 0.5. Okay. That's good. Desired, not desired, but custom. Let's make the 1920 by 1080. Yeah, so this is the 1080p canvas panel. Okay. Okay, so this goes goes a little something like this. Yeah. That scales better. Okay, position Y. The position Y should be actually, let's change the alignment. 0.5, yeah. Now it's like, now it's at 0, yeah. And this goes 1. Yeah, so now it like will scale from the side. Yeah, now it's perfectly aligned with the side of the UI. Of the UI panel. Yeah. Yes. What if, and this is crazy, chat, what if 512? Yeah, okay, the width 800. Let's check how that looks. Yeah, you can't see it, how that looks. Now you can. Looks good. What's up? Okay, so the UI fills half, no, kind of half of the screen. Kind of half. Like, yeah. Okay, so anchors. What if, and this is crazy, chat. What if offset? Okay, so yeah, this is using percentage. I like it. So let's do like 50%. Okay, so this is like half of the screen for the UI, regardless. Oh, spawns so far away, spawned. Run. Trade. Okay, half of the screen. Always half of the screen. Like, you see what's happening, chat? It always takes up half of the screen. I like it. Yeah, that's good, actually. Yeah. Now it's pretty much independent of the resolution. Yeah. Okay, trade panel. We have the border, and the border gets an image. And the image, can I actually like change the Z order? No, I can't change the Z order. Damn. Okay, so this actually gets a whatchamacallit, overlay. Size to content. Oh my god, it's ruined, chat. No, it's not. It's not ruined, actually. Yeah. Okay. So now we have the overlay. Place an image beneath the border. This will be BG fill. Yeah, fills everything, and the padding is like 32 probably. Let's just check. Yeah. Now we have a background. Just make it black and just change the opacity to like 0.5. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, I hate inventory. I hate user interface. This is crazy, chat. Okay, let's add another border for the thingies. So this will be the border. Let's just name it main border, and yeah. And this border will be a tab, and actually horizontal box. Yes. Okay, horizontal box. Yep, goes like that and like that. No, does it go like that? It doesn't go like that. It goes like that. Yeah. And we have a one tab. And we have another tab later on. Oh my god, border tab, padding. Okay, so 0 padding. And we add a text to the border tab. Text is, let's just say it's like trader. We have a trader tab. Okay, so size to content down. Oh my god. Yeah. Like that. Let's just check how that looks. Okay, so it looks like shit. It looks like absolute dog shit. It kind of needs to be like hidden. It needs to be behind the main border. Yeah, actually the main border has like 64, like, yeah. From the top we have a little bit of padding. And BG fill will have like, yeah. So 64 plus 42, 96. Okay, so the horizontal, oh, yep, that's good. Fill, sure, let's fill it in. Ooh, 14. Angel number. Chat, we got an angel number. It's crazy, chat, crazy. It's crazy. Oh my god. Let's actually change the tab. Yep. That's good. Actually, damn. Border tab. Damn, I need a vertical box. And a horizontal box. And the scaling, oh my god. Yeah. Okay, so we wrap the main border with a vertical box. And then, yeah. Like this. Goes a little something like this. But, damn. It fricked it up. Oh my god. Like that and like that, yeah. Border main fill. Okay, yep, sure. Fill. Okay. Hold up. Wait a second. Okay, so if we use fill, greedily attempts to fill all available room based on the percentage value. What the fuck? crazy, chat. It's actually crazy. Okay, so yeah. Content. Sure. Like a trader. Oh my god. Duplicate. And this will be inventory. Ginventory. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Let's joke. Oh my god. Looks horrible. Looks terrible. But we're getting closer. We are getting closer. Oh my god. Okay, so BG fill. Yeah, actually. Do like this and do like that. Can't make a widget of it. Oh my god. Control Z. Okay. Wrap with overlay. Yeah. BG fill. Okay, bit better. Okay, so if this is the vertical box, yeah. And this fills 1%. And the horizontal box fills 0.5, 0.1. That squishes it. It squishes it too much. Okay, so this doesn't need, yeah. If we are doing the vertical box, if you're doing the vertical box with the vertical box, okay, so yeah. Oh my god. Let's eat some strawberries, shall we, chat? Looks good. There we go. There we fucking go. Yeah. Ooh. Wow. Wowza. Damn. Okay, so it's scaling fine. Looking fine. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wrap with an overlay. Yeah, wrap that also. Damn. Damn. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's not good. This is good. This is good. This is good. We're getting there, chat. We are getting there. Copy. Paste. BG fill. 32. 32. Fuck. Okay. 42. 32. I'm going insane. I'm going insane. I am insane. Copy. Paste. No, 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 no. Paste. No, no, no. Yup, yup, yup. Move. Yup, yup, yup. And yeah. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Trader inventory. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So strawberries. I'm gonna need to eat something more substantial. Strawberries won't fill me up for the day. It won't fuel my massive muscles. You think strawberries built these biceps? No, bro, no. Not even close. So, vertical box. Overlay, automatic. Border tab. Okay, so padding 32, 64. Why is it like, yeah, 64? What about 32? Yeah, let's do 32 for both of them. Yeah, no, doesn't work. Whatever, let's keep it at 64. Okay, so the inventory, yeah, the equipment UI. Yeah, let's open up the equipment. VBP. Yeah, the character panel has like this, yeah, this grid. Yeah, so to keep the theme consistent, actually needs to use the grid material. For this also, like, is the grid, let's check the grid material actually. Yeah, so it only uses like the UVs to scale it down, but it doesn't maintain the uniformity. So if like I scale it, it will stretch, it will still stretch. Then can I get the parameter of the like size? The size of the image? I don't know, damn. I should actually like plan out the user interface more, I think, like damn. Everything needs to be cohesive, like damn. So the modern games tab based UI. Yeah, let's write. We're writing chat. Yeah, whatever. Tab based UI. Yes, let's check what kind of tabs should we have. Like we have a character tab, which will have like stats. And yeah, so we separate the stats from the equipment, because like I had like the same, I had the stats inside of this UI panel, but I should actually separate them. Yeah, equipment. And yeah, we need also a health, like yeah. So stat tab, equipment tab, health tab. Yeah, in the health tab you can like equip the organs and like see the skeleton, X-ray skeleton of the player. Yeah, character, equipment, health. Let's actually check how other games do it, shall we, chat? Let's steal like an artist, shall we? EFT UI. Let's check what kind of tabs they have. They have gear. Yeah. Gear. Overall, so like that's like that's the character with the stats. No, overall. What the fuck? What does overall do? Yeah, so the overall displays, actually it is like stats, like shows the character. Common stats. Damn, like if I had the whole screen, like if I have the whole screen to work on the UI, like in Escape from Tarkov, like that's so much easier than just having like separate tabs open. Okay, so overall gear, health, skills, map. Will I have a map? Yeah, probably. Actually need a map for this game. Notes. Yeah, so notes should be like the quest or like the journal. Okay, so map. Yeah, the map will be implemented later, not in the demo, definitely not in the demo. Journal. Yeah, the journal or the notes, like whatever. Yeah, journal. Okay, so damn. It's like I can implement like the trading shittily and fast, like, but what's the point if I'm gonna like just delete it later on? I should make a proper UI actually. Yeah, so let's say hypothetically we do a little expanding. It's called we do a little expanding of the inventory. Ooh, I actually like it. I actually like if I would like it if I could like work with the whole screen for the user interface. Yeah. Inventory trader. Well, okay, so ow. So if we have this thingy, so if we select the inventory tab, the UI will be split down the middle, I guess. Damn. I need to visualize like this shit, like what the fuck. Yeah, like where the 3D model preview goes. Yeah. Icon, name, like, yeah. Damn, so many options for the UI. Like I can have like a vertical layout of all of the items. I could have a grid of the items, like those would work differently. The coolest variant, like the coolest shit would be like if I had like the Tetris based, like Resident Evil, and even Kenshia I think uses the Tetris based like inventory system, like from also Diablo, like, you know. Yeah, so that's the coolest, that's the most old school like vibe, which actually fits my art style really well for this game. Whatever, like, damn. I'll figure something out. Damn. Anyways, I guess I'll take a break. My brain is fried and I'm hungry. Like, yeah, I should cook some food. Anyways, the stream is over. My brain is cooked. Smell you later.